Hello and welcome. It's Declan here with another video. And today I'm just going to talk about Bitcoin. And you can see I have the Etoro platform opened here. So Bitcoin is trading now at $19,262 dollars and 3 cents. And as you can see, it's constantly changing. So today Bitcoin has been down minus 2.87%. So I have the daily chart open here, and you can see that Bitcoin was, when it was in its peak around November, December time of 2021, it was up around this just over 65,000. And it's been on a pretty steady decline since the past number of months. And now it's trading at 19,253. This is the live charts on the Etoro platform. So I just go into the 1 minute chart now for Bitcoin. And I'll just plus it up a small bit. So you can see the fluctuations in it. Even the past few minutes, around 5:30, there was quite a bit of a drop. Yeah, 20 past 5. And sorry, it's just the chart is moving all over the place. So my apologies for that now at the moment. So 19,400. And yeah, it's down to 19,250. Like you can see all the red candles there between 20 past 5 and 5:30. So I'll just pull it back another bit and make them bigger so it's easier for you to see. Sorry, this is just a bit of a lag when I'm recording the video. This happens quite a bit. So yeah, just give it a second to steady itself now. Turn it down a small bit. Yeah, so we have the live charts here now. So a green candle at the moment. So it's today is the 7th of October. This is Friday evening, and it's 1851 or 6:51. So like Bitcoin is something that trades round the clock. Yeah, you can trade Bitcoin all during the week, nights, weekends. It runs 24/7. That's one thing. Bitcoin is different to stocks in that they just run from Monday to Friday. So yeah, Bitcoin, I have it opened here. So 19,264. You can see the changes here. These are the live charts now. Yeah, so 19,267. So you can see the buy and sell here and how they're constantly changing. Red means sell off, and then green candles is bullish, buying pressure. So either or. So yeah, as I said, it's been down minus 2.84 on the day. So I just go on to an article here that I have about Bitcoin. So it was published earlier today, Friday the 7th of October. Bitcoin falls after the jobs report, but crypto prices are showing relative stability. So the crypto market fell with stocks after the highly anticipated jobs report showed the labor market is still tight and could keep the Federal Reserve on course to raise rates aggressively. You see, yeah, I talked about this in previous videos, that because the labor market is tight at the moment, and yeah, the Fed as I said, it's going to raise interest rates, or is on course to keep raising interest rates. So the price of Bitcoin fell 3.3% to 19,380. This was a bit earlier now. So according to Coin Metrics, Ethereum fell 2.7 to 1322.40. On Friday, the Labor Department reported that the US economy added 263,000 jobs in September, compared with the Dow Jones estimate of 275. So yeah, they came in under, and that the unemployment rate fell to 3.5 from 3.7 in the previous month. So yeah, less people unemployed. So, and I just have the Bitcoin chart here. So you can see Friday morning the 7th at 7 a.m. and you can see it rose to just barely over 20,000, and what it's at now, what I showed you there on the Etoro platform. So the jobs report points to no change of June on the horizon for the Fed. So we continue to expect firm interest rates, which also adds pressure to the crypto markets. Cryptocurrencies correlation with stocks has weakened in recent weeks, but remains high. So yeah, that's just saying that there is a correlation between the two. Yeah, so crypto looks to be at an important technical juncture here, where it looks like it's trying to carve out a bottom, but feeling heavy. He added, I still think more likely than not breaks to the downside given rising interest rates and risk-off sentiment. But so far, it's a surprising effort to hold the line. So the market has been in a good news is bad news holding pattern. That's a strange line. But anyway, with the Federal Reserve laser focused on bringing down inflation, yeah, at all costs, they seem to be laser focused on trying to bring down inflation. While the new data shows strength in the US economy that could make the Fed more likely to continue with its aggressive rate hiking plan. Yeah, if they think there's strength and good jobs numbers, that they probably will continue on with the the strong interest rate hikes and that. So that could make the Fed more likely to continue with it. Yeah. Whereas investors are hoping for a pause or a pivot. I think everybody is, be it in Europe and America and everywhere. So which puts pressure on stocks and weighs on crypto. Crypto has been the hardest hit by rate hike fears this year, says the investment analyst here at eToro. It makes sense. Many crypto projects don't have cash flows, so people invest in them for what they could be, not necessarily the value they've provided right now. Yeah. So like when you're investing in stocks, you're looking at balance sheets, you're looking at cash flow statements, etc. But what this statement is saying here, that crypto doesn't have this, which we know it doesn't. So when rates rise, the future value of the dollar falls. Cox also highlighted the resilience of crypto assets in the second half of the year, noting that while stocks have revisited new lows with the spike in bond yields, Bitcoin and Ethereum haven't done the same. Bitcoin has been trading in a tight range between 18,000 and 25,000 since falling to its lows of the year in June. Yeah, it's between 18 and 25, and it isn't fluctuating much more at the moment, the past while. So to me, that's progress in a bear market, Cox said. So crypto prices could be telling us the rate anxiety could be at a turning point. So crypto strength is also a good indicator of frothiness in the market. I like that line, frothiness in the market. So it seems like the brutal growth sell-off has finally washed out all the weekends. So Bitcoin is also far below its highs too, which I said earlier on were around the 65,000 mark or just above it. So yeah, it's far below that now trading. So she added, but stability is a step in the right direction. So yeah, back onto the charts now again. So yeah, 19,249 it's trading at, and yeah, that is well off its highs. So yeah, so hope you found this video on Bitcoin interesting, and the article and the analysis of why Bitcoin has it's the fear is still there, like be it with stocks, be it with crypto, and the jobs market. When the jobs market is good, the Fed will more than likely keep raising interest rates because they feel people have money to spend, and like they're, as the article said, they're laser focused on bring down interest rates. So they seem to be laser focused at doing that over the next while. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see how things do pan out over the next while. But yeah, so hope you enjoyed this analysis of Bitcoin and the article. And this, as I said, I'm on the Etoro platform again at the moment. So yeah, that's the live charts with Bitcoin. It is interesting to watch Bitcoin. I have traded it previously on another broker platform a while ago, but I was using leverage that time, and I wasn't that happy with using leverage. So yeah, I always keep an eye on Bitcoin, how it's doing, and like you can demo trade it as well on your broker platform if you wish, or buy it for real. But always remember, it's usually traded as a CFD and comes at a greater risk. So yeah, as you can see here now, the there's it's bullish momentum now on the 1 minute candles, and yeah, it's just a minute to 7 here. So yeah, this is the live charts. This is the eToro platform. So yeah, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.